Hey everyone! Is your car having trouble shifting gears? Do you feel a delay, slipping, or even a sudden limp mode activation? You scan your car, and it throws P0843, transmission fluid pressure sensor switch A circuit high. Ignoring this code can lead to serious transmission damage and costly repairs. But don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what P0843 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where you can find the exact sensor location to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0843? The P0843 trouble code appears when the transmission control module, TCM, detects an abnormally high voltage signal from the transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS, A. This sensor monitors hydraulic pressure inside the transmission to ensure smooth gear shifts. If the sensor sends incorrect data, it can cause shifting problems and even lead to complete transmission failure. Common symptoms of P0843: hard, rough, or delayed shifting, transmission slipping, limp mode activation, overheating transmission, poor fuel economy and acceleration check engine light, CL, or transmission warning light. Now, let's locate the sensor and key components for an accurate fix. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To fix P0843, you need to inspect the following key components. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. A. Location, mounted on the outside of the transmission, near the valve body or inside the transmission pan. Function, measures hydraulic pressure and sends signals to the TCM, transmission control module, TCM. Location, usually attached to the transmission housing or inside the engine bay. Function, controls gear shifting based on sensor inputs, powertrain control module, PCM. Location, mounted in the engine bay, usually near the firewall or fuse box. Function, works with the TCM to manage the transmission system. Transmission wiring, harness and connectors location, runs between the TFPS, TCM and PCM, usually attached to the transmission body. Function, transmits electrical signals between the sensor and control modules. Transmission fluid and filter, location, inside the transmission pan. Function, ensures smooth shifting and correct pressure readings. Common causes of P0843: faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. If the sensor malfunctions, it may send incorrect voltage signals. High or contaminated transmission fluid, dirty or incorrect fluid can lead to pressure fluctuations. Damaged wiring or connectors. Corroded or shorted wires can disrupt voltage readings. Defective transmission control module, TCM. A failing TCM may misinterpret sensor signals. Blocked or failing transmission components. Clogged passages or worn-out valves can affect pressure regulation. How to fix P0843? Step 1. Check the transmission fluid level and condition. Drain and replace if necessary. Step 2. Inspect the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Use a multimeter to check voltage output. Replace if faulty. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or disconnected wires and fix them. Step 4. Scan for additional transmission codes. Other codes may provide clues about related issues. Step 5. Reset the code and test drive. After repairs, clear the code and drive to see if the issue persists. Final words. The P0843 code can be a serious issue, but checking the fluid pressure sensor, wiring, and transmission fluid quality can help you fix it before it leads to costly repairs. Watch these related videos next. P0552, power steering pressure sensor circuit low. P0553, power steering pressure sensor circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.